Hello and welcome to VIAVI Quick Tip videos. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure a Y.1564 style UDP throughput test to be executed from a downloadable software client to a VIAVI Fusion Test Agent or VNF. The result of the configuration process will be the creation of a UDP throughput test URL that will need to be dispatched to a person conducting the test. It is typically done over email. The test execution procedure itself is demonstrated in a separate quick tip video called Software Client UDP Throughput Test Execution. To configure the UDP throughput test, I will first need to log in to the Fusion Controller Web Management Interface. Once logged in, I will click on the New Test button and select UDP Performance Test. Next, I will select Client to Test Point Mode for a downloadable software client to VNF test. Next, I will select the appropriate test agent to run the test to. This will open the Udp Throughput Parameter interface. I can assign the test the appropriate name, configure the test duration. I will use the user-defined option for a quick 15-second test. I can now configure up to 5 test streams that can simulate multiple services over the network on the test. In my case, I will use a single stream for a quick demonstration. I will tap on the Edit Stream button to configure the test stream parameters. I can name the stream their appropriate name. Next, I can specify the stream type to use simulated data, video, or voice traffic. I will also select whether the data will be transmitted and measurements performed in upstream, downstream, or both directions. In my case, I will select the bidirectional option. Next, I will configure the CIR or committed information rate for the test. And select the packet size to be used in the test. I can also configure the UDP port to be used in the test. Next, I will provide a loss and jitter thresholds to be used as pass-fail criteria. My test stream is now configured. I can click on the Add Stream button if I want to add more streams to the test. The UDP test is now configured. I will now click on the Generate URL button to generate the test URL like so. I can now copy the test URL to the clipboard, paste it into an email message, and dispatch it to the person who will execute the test from a Windows workstation.